Hi, my name is Jubleen. The name of our project is an analysis of the use of mobile instant messaging, that is WhatsApp, in higher education. The sprint 3 started on 24th of May and ended on 13th of June. These are the team members who were assigned different roles, and this also shows the total number of hours they worked for. These are the 3 user stories which we were able to accomplish in this sprint. This is a sprint backlog which shows total number of hours taken to complete each of the tasks in sprint 3. Now I'm going to show the evidence of work by all our team members. This is a literature review which I wrote based on our one user stories so that we know what research has already been done by comparing several data. This is the final review themes table that was created by me and Deepthi based on our 16 interviews. This is Power BI's visualization which was done by Navdeep by using Power BI tool. The first picture shows the communication tools other than WhatsApp used by the users, and the second picture shows the time of the day which the participants prefer to use WhatsApp. This is the final thematic map from all the interviews and the findings that were obtained from 16 interviews by different students. So these are the findings based on our research objective 2, which were to investigate the features of WhatsApp, which were as turning off last seen and muting notifications, ability to share GPS locations, which were the main features mentioned by the participants. There were some reasons of preference as well as drawbacks of WhatsApp mentioned by the participants. And the second objective was to investigate the students' impression of using WhatsApp in learning processes. So they mentioned that it helps them to reach out for clarifications, contact lecturers easily, and the multifunctionality of WhatsApp improves the efficiency, and they can easily clear their doubts using WhatsApp. So these are the recommendations that were provided by the students. They wanted the updation on file size limit and inclusion of translator features as well as more features for virtual teaching. This is the client supervisor feedback that was given on sprint 3. She asked for a few modification and themes and thematic map, which we have clearly shown in the presentation. Also, she was satisfied with the interviews conducted and the analysis done using Power BI tool, but she wanted some more explanation in the report as well as in the screenshots that was attached in the report. She also asked us to include the literature review, which we have already done in the presentation. These are the references which we used for our literature review.